So what is abundance? According to the dictionary, abundance is a large quantity of something, plenty, right? In nature, nature gets abundance. Nature gets abundance. Think about an apple tree. An apple tree doesn't stop producing apples once all the apples are picked, right? It continuously produces. That is abundance. That's a continual process. And even when that tree may get sick or may die or something happens, it's still even planting more trees because of the seeds from the fallen apples. So it's continuously in a cycle of abundance. Even scientists say that stars that are burning out in our galaxy right now are being replaced by new stars. So there's a constant flow of things. There's a constant flow of abundance. Nature gets it. Nature understands us. It's what's natural and in the flow. So abundance is everywhere. It's us getting that there is an abundance of love, opportunities, food, spirituality, health, kindness, and even time to do the things that you love. But when we think of abundance, we often think automatically our mind goes to money, right? Abundance of money. But money isn't abundance. And abundance isn't only about money. Abundance is how you look at money. For example, a person can have very little money, but live abundantly in joy and happiness and love and connection. And a person who may have, 5 yachts and their own private island may lack abundance. They may lack the abundance of joy and freedom and authenticity and relationships. They may live in what we call never enough, which is that scarcity mentality. So what does it truly mean for us to get into is the actual embodiment of abundance in ourselves as an experience in our lives. So why do we go to lack? Why do we feel sometimes that there's never enough? Why does poverty exist? Why does hunger exist? We ask ourselves those questions. How is it possible that if there is abundance in the world that people actually go hungry? And it comes down to a mindset. It comes down to what we see and a perspective. An abundance mindset means that you are awake and aware of the existence of abundance, with this constant flow that there is enough. And the belief that you also are a part of that flow, that your life is in that flow. That's an abundance mindset.